Hello there and a very good evening. Well, there have been some showers around for some of us today. Very first thing this morning, there was just a little glimmer of sunshine. But as we head through this week, we're going to hang on to some relatively mild air. It'll be quite blustery throughout the week. Always some showers around. And by Saturday, the return to something just a little bit colder, and I mean colder, I mean dropping back to where we would expect for this time of the year. Now there are still some showers around, but really through most of tonight it's going to be a dry picture, clear skies, and first thing tomorrow morning feeling just a little bit fresh. Minimum temperatures dropping back somewhere between 6 and 8 degrees Celsius. Now lots of sunshine at first through Tuesday. You will notice though the clouds spreading in and it will become quite blustery. You'll notice that by the afternoon. There's the possibility of 1 or 2 isolated showers around, but I think many of us getting away with a dry day. Maximum temperatures holding up at around 14 degrees Celsius, so still quite mild out there. Now here are your times of high water for Tuesday. Let's have a look at Southend, 4 a.m. in the morning, and then again at 20 to 5 tomorrow evening. But we'll just take a look at the bigger picture from Tuesday into Wednesday. It is going to turn wet through tomorrow night, courtesy of this weather front here, outbreaks of rain. That will clear on through quite quickly. So very first thing in the morning on Wednesday, it will be a dry start to the day, a little bit blustery, however. But however, throughout Wednesday, another weather front pushing in from the south, and that's going to introduce some showery outbreaks of rain. Some of that will be a little bit heavy, particularly by the afternoon. All the while, though, it is remaining quite mild in that southerly breeze. Maximum temperatures 13 to 15 degrees Celsius. Now we'll see further showers into Thursday. Temperatures holding up at 15 degrees Celsius, but by Friday and into Saturday you can see those maximum temperatures dropping back by day and overnight as well. Take care. Hello there. Well, very quickly this morning it turned quite cloudy. There's been showers around through today, and in general through this week there are going to be plenty of showers around. It's going to be a little bit blustery as well, a windy week of weather ahead. And then into Saturday, turning colder, and when I mean colder, I mean just temperatures dropping back to something that we would expect at this time of year, so highs of around 10 degrees Celsius. But here's the bigger picture. Low pressure always close by, tracing the isobars back. Look at that, goes all the way back into the mid-Atlantic. So we're still in this relatively mild air, although day on day we are likely to see some showers or longer spells of rain. As for the rest of this evening, still some lingering showers around. Increasingly though, the skies will turn clear. And by tomorrow morning, it may just be a little bit fresh first thing. Temperatures dropping back anywhere from around 6 to 8 degrees Celsius. Now very quickly through Tuesday, it will turn quite blustery, increasing amounts of cloud, and you'll notice this weather front sitting out to the west. Throughout the day that may just introduce 1 or 2 fairly fast moving showers. However, for most of us through daylight hours, there's a lot of dry weather around. It's still quite mild in that southerly breeze, maximum temperatures of 14 degrees Celsius. But let's just take a look at the bigger picture from Tuesday into Wednesday. This weather front will push through, so damp evening on Tuesday. It should clear away quite quickly into the early hours of Wednesday morning, and initially some dry weather on Wednesday morning, but it's this next weather front coming in from the south that will spread its way northwards. So this is what we think is going to happen on Wednesday. Initially a dry start, but then increasingly turning damp, showery outbreaks of rain. Some of that a little bit heavy, but all the while remaining mild, remaining quite blustery as well, with maximum temperatures of 15 degrees Celsius. Into Thursday then, some sunshine and scattered showers around, but from Friday into Saturday, temperatures dropping back and turning a little bit chilly overnight into the weekend. Bye-bye.